GIF montage of different martial arts in action. Curious about martial arts but unsure where to begin? Let's explore the top styles, their techniques, and benefits for your body and mind. GIF, a kid breaking a board or practicing katas in uniform. Karate, the art of discipline. Originating from Japan, it focuses on punches, kicks, and kata, perfect for building discipline and mental focus. GIF, a high-speed, slow-motion spinning kick. Taekwondo, the art of kicking. From Korea, it emphasizes high and spinning kicks. Ideal for improving flexibility and speed. GIF, boxer hitting pads with coach or intense shadow boxing. Boxing, the art of striking. A Western sport focusing on punches and footwork. Great for cardio and quick reflexes. Jia-e, grappling or submission move like armbar, triangle. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, the art of ground combat. From Brazil, it teaches control and real-life self-defense through grappling. GIF, a smooth hip throw or shoulder throw in slow motion. Judo, the art of the gentle way. Japanese in origin, it uses throws and pins perfect for balance and control. GIF, icons of brain, muscle, and heart to represent benefits. Choose based on your goals. Fitness, control, or tradition. Just start and stick with it.